Hi, I welcome you all for my channel. In this video, we will continue with our previous videos. We were in sketch-based features. In our last videos, we covered this pad, pocket, shaft, groove, hole, rip and slot, as well as the references, which is creating points, plane and lines. In this video, we will concentrate on solid combine and stiffener. Solid combine, as the name only suggests, it is a combination of two profiles. I will create two profiles in a perpendicular planes, which is closed profiles. This is one of this particular sketch. I will create one more sketch in a perpendicular plane. You should know that there should be intersection between profile 1 and profile 2. Then only the command of solid combine will work. Now this is the two profiles which is perpendicular to each other. Now we will go for solid combine profile 1 and profile 2 selections. You will get the combination of these two. It will be the intersection of the two sketches. We will see this in detail with a simple geometry which will be easier for understanding purpose. I will create two rectangles in two perpendicular planes. I create rectangles. In any two perpendicular planes, there are three initially perpendicular planes in any two perpendicular planes, but it should not be parallel, it should be perpendicular. This is one of the other rectangle, but you should know that there should be intersection between the two profiles. Now we will go for solid combine profile 1 and profile 2. You will get this particular box like this. That is a combination of these two geometries. Now I will show this sketch. So you can see that the third angle projection is the third extrusion pad is intersection of both the sketches, whereas other two is the length and width according to the sketches. Now if I change the sketch without the intersection, then there will be the error. So I want to cross check that there should be some intersection between these two profiles. This is how the solid combine command will work. You can see that there is an intersection, the length is equal to one sketch and width is other sketch. This is how the solid combine command will work. It is a combination of both. Next we have stiffener. For stiffener we should do some pre-arrangements, prerequisites. I am taking this drawing as one of my example for stiffener, that is a stiffener. I will create this. So this is the created one. I concentrated more on this part. Now I should create this one. So I will go for stiffener. For creating stiffener, I should create the open sketch which is perpendicular in this plane, different plane. Now I will convert entities, which is nothing but project 3D elements in this software. They are specified with the dimensions, the distance between the particular line and that circle is 25. I will specify that particular constants now. Distance between this point and that point, horizontal measure is 25. Distance, horizontal measure direction, which is nothing but 25. There should be open profile, there should not be closed profile in there. For this open profile is used for stiffener. Now I will go out of the sketch. For stiffener, I will go for stiffener and I will select this particular sketch and I should specify the thickness in one direction. If it is a neutral fiber, the one thickness is fine. Neutral fiber will take this particular thickness divided by 2 on either direction, which is nothing but mirrored extent in pad. This is how stiffener command will work. To specify the total thickness, if it is 10 mm, we should specify 10 only. It will take in the neutral layer. This is one of the example of stiffener. Now we will see one more example. I will try to create stiffener in this case. When it is 2 cylinders, I will convert this. There is no need that there should be only a straight line for stiffener. There can be any open profile, which is nothing but you can create arc or spline, anything. Now I will create spline for this. There should be slight variation and slight inner side towards it. It will be easier for it will be easier for stiffener creation. Now I will use this stiffener command. I will go for this spline and I will give my thickness, how much ever I want I can give thickness. You can specify, you can change this direction as well. If the neutral fiber is off, you can go for only one directional. Now I will go for 10 mm in one direction. If I give neutral fiber, it will take with the neutral layer. This is one of the example of stiffener, how you can create. We will go with one more example for this straight line and the curvature. For this circle and this line, I will convert this. Now I will create spline again. If you want, you can go for arc as well. If you have any doubt for regarding this arc profiles or any doubts clarification, you can put in my comment box for any suggestions or for any problems. You want to drag slightly inside for this, because sometimes there will be error in merging with the two objects. We will go for stiffener and select this. You should specify the thickness as well. Neutral fiber, if there is no limit for this, how much ever it is specified in the drawing, you can give that much. Now let us say assume that I will give 15. So now it is done. This is one of the example of stiffener. You can draw stiffener for between any two objects easily. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe for further videos. I am Vijayar, created this video on solid combine and stiffener. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the further videos.